The late spring wind gives the rain its shape. Green rain is spring's farewell ceremony. With abundant sunshine, ample rainfall, it bathes the world in warmth and moisture, creating ideal conditions for growth. No need to hesitate. Sink roots deep into the earth. Let greenery climb to the clouds. Seize the opportunity, thrive vigorously, and race against time. Some lament duckweed's rootlessness, calling it adrift. Yet I see it always finds a way to thrive in adversity. The wanderer's tendrils trace spring's palm lines. When the wind rises, it floats like a wandering poem, where waves surge, meetings and partings weave fate. Among duckweed, tadpoles start, like ink dots brushed by nature's hand. Life's vigor pulses everywhere. Later spring rain knows hearts best. When peonies shed their rouge cloaks, fresh tea unfurls in cups, bitter or mild, mellow or sweet. Each sip holds life's flavors. When gazing back, spring's hues fading to distant peaks. Yet, when turning round, summer's blaze is about to ignite the horizon.